Branches are the heart of Git. They let you build new features without breaking your main code, but most beginners fear them. In this guide, you will learn what branches are, how to create and switch them, how to merge them, and how to survive your first merge conflict.
Let's get started.
Here is the secret about branches. A branch is just a movable pointer to a commit. Your main branch points to the latest commit. When you commit, the pointer moves forward. Create a new branch, and you get a second pointer.
That is all a branch really is, a lightweight label on your history.
Let's create one. Type git branch and you see your branches with a star on the current one. To create a new branch, type git switch with the -c flag and a name. Git switches to it instantly. In VS Code, click the branch name in the status bar. Choose Create New Branch and type the name. The old command, git checkout with the B flag, does the same thing.
Now let's merge. After a commit on your feature branch, switch back to main. Run git merge, followed by the branch name. Git moves the main pointer forward to the newest commit. This is called a fast forward merge, because there is no new commit, just a fast slide of the pointer.
But what if both branches get new commits? Now the history diverges. Run git merge, and git combines both lines into one brand new merge commit. You will see the message, merge made by the Abort strategy.
The merge commit has two parents, one from each branch, and your history stays complete.
Here comes the moment everyone fears, the merge conflict. When both branches change the same line, Git cannot decide for you. It prints conflict in your file and stops. Open the file and you see the markers. The top side is your current code.
The bottom side is the incoming branch. You choose what stays.
In VS Code, conflicts look friendly. The source control panel shows a merge changes group. Click the file, and the conflict appears in color. Green is current, purple is incoming. Click Accept Current, Accept Incoming, or accept both.
For fine control, open the merge editor, pick your hunks, and press Complete Merge. Then stage and commit.
Changed your mind? A conflicted merge is never permanent. Run git merge with the abort flag. The markers disappear, and your branch is exactly as it was before. Merge aborted, no damage done.
Want to see the whole story? Run git log with the graph, online, and all flags. Git draws your history as a map. Branch lines fork and join. Labels show where each branch points. The star arrow marks your current position.
This is the best way to understand your repository at a glance.
When a branch is done, delete it. Run git branch with the -d flag. If the branch is fully merged, Git deletes it cleanly. If it is not merged, Git refuses. That is a safety net. Use the D flag only when you are sure you want to force delete it.
Branches also power pull requests. Push your branch to GitHub and a banner appears. Click Compare and Pull Request. GitHub shows your changes and you click Create Pull Request. Your team reviews the code. When everything looks good, click Merge Pull Request, then confirm Merge. Finally, delete the branch to keep the repository tidy.
Here is what you learned. A branch is a pointer to a commit. Merge combines branches with a fast forward when they are in line and a merge commit when they diverge. Conflicts are normal, and you solve them in the editor. Abort when you want to back out.
Delete merged branches with a D flag, and push branches to GitHub for pull requests. Like, subscribe, and comment. And catch part 1, how to install Git and connect to GitHub to VS Code.